shopping center in Oslo. Still original from 1993. But now it's maintained by TK instead of KONE. Door close does not work. Send this one away and get the other car. I don't think that car is working today. Okay, we'll write this one more time. So this is basically a 2025 retake. Here it is. Still not right, one more time. Yeah, door close does not work, unfortunately. Actually, I'm a little bit surprised that this thing is still original as of now. Thought they had been modernized. Alright, let's get up here. Oh, they have a sensor. Instead of a door bumper, they've installed a sensor right inside this door. Interesting. Oh yeah, one more thing I noticed. Instead of the T default keyhole, they use a triangle keyhole here in Norway. So yeah, that's it.